What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my space. Welcome back to my environment. Hope you guys are making the best of this situation and you guys are enjoying your downtime. I know it's kind of rough on everybody with this whole situation with what's going on right now, but hope you guys are making the best of it. Hope you guys are doing some home improvements while you guys have the time. If it's your first time here, do consider subscribing, guys. Like, share, comment, all that good stuff, helps me a lot, helps get my stuff out there so others can see my work as well. Alright guys, so today I am doing a review on the Sokani X60 version 2. The good people at Instro sponsored this video. They sent me out this video light for me to do a review on. Now, granted guys, let me say this, be total transparent with you guys. I am not a videographer. I am now dabbling in it because I'm trying to do behind the scenes for you guys. I'm trying to get my behind the scenes of my shoots out and stuff for you guys so you guys can see how I get into stuff and do it, how I doing my photography and everything. So with that being said, I'm not 100% into video as yet, but I am getting there. So these guys sent me out this video light for me to review and test out. So as a photographer, that's what I did. Now I'll get into that in just a bit. But this is the Sokani X60 version 2. There was a version 1 that came out. I did not get to test that one out, but it had some mixed reviews about it. But they fixed a lot of those issues and they came out with the version 2, which is right now lighting me. Now, I'm a photographer, dabbling in video. And for me, this serves my purpose very well for what I want to do. It's very quiet. That was one of the issues I heard with the version 1. The fan was very low, but with this one I am hardly hearing it. As you can see, it's right in the frame with me right now. You know what, let me fix this in a sec. All right, so like I was saying, this is the version 2 and for me it serves the purpose of what I would want it to do for video. I have no complaints with it so far. I've had it a week. I tested it on a video shoot, which you guys will see in just a minute. Like I was saying, it's a video light. It's a 110 current. So it is not battery powered. So if you are going to take it out to do video outside or shoots outside, you are going to need 110 current, or you're going to have an alternate idea like what I did, which you guys will see. So this light is 7 pounds. So it's very light, it's very compact, it's very small. I'll put up a picture with it compared to my 8400 so you guys can get a comparison of how big it is and how small it is. It is well ventilated. It has dents or cuts or ventilation on both sides of the video light. It is a metal frame, so it's very durable. I like the fact that they have, I'm not sure what you call them, but there's teats in the grooves where it tightens to hold the softbox so that it will not budge even if you have a heavy softbox on it. That was one of the issues with version 1 where you would put a heavy or big softbox on it and it would just tilt down. It would not support the heavy softbox. So it's good to see that they fixed that. So with this light, if you are someone who does video and you want a small compact light to do interviews and have it on set with you, that you can use it and not get disturbed with your mic with the loud fan stuff. There are lots of many other options, but this is a very cheap option that gets the job done really well. So it comes in a bag with the reflector. It also comes with this remote, which I must say I'm not too much impressed with it, but it gets the job done. I do wish that this, because it does not turn, there's an on and off button, but it does not turn on and off the video light, which for me it just turns on and off the control. I do wish that they would implement it that it can actually turn off and on the video light with the remote. Seeing that it is a remote, that's what you would expect the remote to do, but it's still a welcomed feature because there's the screen on it, so you can actually see everything that you are doing on the video light and the percentage of the light that you are on. It also has a few settings. It has different effects. It has different modes that you can use if you want to have special features or special tricks doing while you're doing your video. All right, so let's jump into the video that I did the night shoot with. Now, it is a 110 video light, so it's not battery powered. So I found a way to work around this, which was put in a battery powered that gives out 110 current. I would have that linked in the description below with my affiliate link, so if you guys are interested in that, you can purchase it using my affiliate links. That will help me a lot, and it will help me keep this channel growing. So the battery pack, it allows me to take this and have it portable and shoot my photography, which you guys will see in a minute, and use the light without having to have it plugged in, because it was actually plugged into just the battery pack. So let's get into that, guys, and after that I'll get back into the closing thoughts and views of this Sokani X60 version 2. Roll that clip. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. As you guys can see, this light was very capable. It did the job, it got the job done that I wanted it to do. The light was very powerful. Even though at certain points I was at 100%, but that's, I mean, it's one LED light on this small video light. But for the fact that it got the job done, I was really impressed. The fact that it was at 100% at a certain point in the video, the fan did not get louder as it was on that 100%. So that was a plus, because if you are interviewing someone, it's good to know that even if it's at 100%, the fan will not be a problem for you. Con for me is just the remote. I do wish that the remote had a little more functionality where it could actually turn on and off the video light. And it could have been a lot smaller than this. I mean, it's a really big remote just for 8 buttons, I think. So I do find it could have been a little smaller. I do love the screen that shows you what you are doing, because like the aperture, it has a smaller remote, but there's no screen. So you can't actually see what settings or what is really going on in the back of the light. But for the most, I have no complaints about this light. I guess with the version 1 there was issues, but with this one there are no issues. I really love the compact size of it. I love the fact that it's quiet. I love the fact that it gives me the light output that I want. And now I have a light that I can use to do my videos. So thank you, Instro, for sending me out this video light. I love it. Definitely going to keep using it. And if you guys are interested in this as well, the links for it will be down in the description, so you guys can purchase it as well. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed and liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of my channel and enjoying it. I do hope to see you in the next one. And until then guys, remember, you're only as good as you believe you are. See ya.